Hello student, welcome in Department of Nanoscience and Nanotechnology FIBSc paper 2nd class. In our last lecture, we have been seen what are Miller indices and what is the interplanar distances in crystal structure. Today we are going to learn the atomic radius of simple cubic structure, body centered cubic structure, FCC crystal structure. Also, we are going to see the number of atoms in unit cell, that is in simple cubic unit cell, face centered cubic unit cell and body centered cubic unit cell. Also, we will see the packing fraction of SC, BCC and FCC structure. So, first of all, what is simple cubic structure, what is body centered cubic structure and what is FCC structure? Among the 7 crystal systems, the cubic crystal is simplest. 7 crystal systems means cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, rhombohedral, hexagonal, monoclinic and triclinic. Among those systems, the cubic crystal is the simplest. The unit cell of a cubic structure is a cube. There are 3 types of unit cells, which are simple cubic, body centered cubic means BCC and face centered cubic means FCC crystal structure. So first one is simple cubic structure. As shown in figure, in this type of crystal structure, the unit cell has one atom at each corner of the cube. This is the simplest of all structures. It is rarely found to occur. Second is body centered cubic structure. In this type of crystal structure, the unit cell has one atom at each corner of the cube and one at body center of the cube as shown in figure. Examples of this type of structure are alpha ion, tungsten, molybdenum, chromium, alkali metals like sodium, lithium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, etc. So, in body-centered cubic structure, the unit cell has one atom at each corner and one at body center of the cube. This is the atom which is placed at center of the body. Next is face-centered cubic structure. In this type of crystal structure, the unit cell has an atom at each corner of the cube and in addition has one atom at the center of each face. See, these are the atoms are placed at center of each face of the cube. So, in cube there are 6 faces. So, there are 6 atoms placed in center of each face of the cube. Examples of this type of structure are alpha ion, copper, silver, gold, aluminium, nickel, platinum, etc. Then we shall obtain atomic radius, number of atoms per unit cell and coordination number for simple cubic, face-centered cubic and body-centered cubic systems. So, in that first one is atomic radius. So, what is atomic radius? The atomic radius is defined as the half the distance between two nearest neighboring atoms of same kind. It is denoted by R and is generally expressed in terms of cube age A. Then first one is simple cubic system. For simple cubic system, see in figure, atomic radius of this atom is R. This atom's atomic radius is also R and the age is A. So, twice R is equal to A. Therefore, R is equal to A by 2. See, as shown in figure, atomic radius of this atom is R. Atomic radius of this atom is R and the age of the cube is A. A is equal to twice R. Therefore, R is equal to A by 2. This is the atomic radius for simple cubic system, that is r is equal to a by 2. In simple cubic system, edge length is a, which is the distance between the centers of two nearest neighbors as shown in figure. Second is face-centered cubic system. In face-centered cubic system, the neighboring atoms are at corners and an atom at the center of adjacent face as shown in figure. In figure B, A, B, C, D are the corner atoms and O is at the center of adjacent face. Therefore, in FCC system, atomic radius R is equal to OA by 2. See, the radius of this atom is R. The radius of this atom is also R. Therefore, the distance OA is equal to twice R. Therefore, R is equal to OA by 2. In the right angle triangle, triangle ABC, here we can use Pythagoras theorem. So, AC is the hypotenuse. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is R plus twice R plus R and the whole bracket square. AB is A, edge of the cube, and BC is also A. Therefore, A square plus A square. So, R plus twice plus R is 4R, that is 4R square. A square plus A square is twice A square. 4R square means 16R square is equal to twice A square. Here 16 will go that side. Therefore, R square is equal to 2A square divided by 16. 2 8s are 16. Therefore, R square is equal to A square divided by 8. Therefore, taking square root on both sides, therefore, R is equal to square root of A square is A and square root of 8 is 2 root 2. Therefore, in FCC crystal structure, the atomic radius is A divided by 2 root 2. Next one is body-centered cubic system. In body-centered cubic system, the neighboring atoms are at corners and there is one atom at the center of the cube as shown in figure C. From figure, the atomic radius is R is equal to OA by 2. Now, consider triangle ABC. Here, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB and BC is A. Therefore, AC square is equal to A square plus A square will get twice A square. Taking square root on both sides, therefore AC is equal to root 2 into A. Also, from the geometry of figure, AG is equal to 4R. So, AG is R plus twice R plus R. Therefore, AG is equal to 4R. Now, consider the right angle triangle, triangle ACG. Here also, we use Pythagoras theorem. So, AG is the hypotenuse and AC and GC are the two sides of the triangle. So, AG square is equal to AC square plus GC square. AG is 4R, means 4R square. AC is root 2A, therefore root 2A bracket square, and GC is the edge of the cube, therefore GC is A. So GC square means AC square. Therefore 4R square means 16R square. Root 2A square means 2A square and A square is A square. Therefore 16R square is equal to 2A square plus A square means 3A square. We will go in that side. Therefore R square is equal to 3A square divided by 16. Taking square root on both sides, R square is R, 3 is root 3, A square is A and 16 square root is 4. Therefore R is equal to root 3A divided by 4. This is the atomic radius in BCC system. Then number of atoms in a unit cell. The total number of atoms per unit cell is given by N is equal to Ni plus Nf divided by 2 plus Nc divided by 8, where Ni is number of body center atoms, NF is number of face-centered atoms and NC is number of corner atoms. So, first one is simple cubic crystal. In simple cubic crystal system, there are only 8 atoms present at corners. Therefore, Ni is 0, Nf is 0, but Nc is equal to 8. We know that N is equal to Ni plus Nf by 2 plus Nc by 8. Therefore, N is equal to 0 plus 0 plus Nc is 8. So, 8 by 8. Therefore, N is equal to 1. Hence, for such crystal, there is one atom in each cell. Next is face-centered cubic crystal. In such crystal, there are 8 atoms at 8 corners and 1 atom at the center of each 6 faces. So, here Ni is 0, Nf is 6 and Nc is 8. So, N is equal to Ni plus Nf by 2 plus Nc by 8 is equal to 0 plus Nf is 6, so 6 divided by 2 plus Nc is 8, so 8 divided by 8. Therefore, 2 3s are 6, 8 get cancelled. It is equal to 0 plus 3 plus 1, it will get 4. Therefore, in face-centered crystal, N is equal to 4. Next is body-centered cubic system. In such a crystal, there are 8 atoms at 8 corners and 1 atom is present at the center of the cube. Therefore, here Ni is 1, Nf is 0 and Nc is 8. So, N is equal to Ni plus Nf by 2 plus Nc by 8. It is equal to 1 plus 0 by 2 plus 8 by 8. It is equal to 1 plus 0 plus 1. It will get 2. Therefore, N is equal to 2. Hence, each cell has 2 atoms in BCC system. Next is coordination number. The number of nearest neighbors that an atom has in a unit cell is known as coordination number. Greater is the coordination number, the more closely packed up will be the structure. So, first is simple cubic structure. Its coordination number is 6. It is so because each corner atom is linked with 7 other unit cells that can be imagined to be built around the unit cell containing the atom. In that case, each corner atom has 4 neighbors in the same plane, one vertically above and one immediately below, giving a total number of 6 nearest neighboring atoms. Next is BCC structure. Its coordination number is 8. In this case, the nearest neighbors of any corner atom are the body-centered atoms, since there are 8 surrounding unit cells for any corner atom. Their 8 body-centered atoms form the nearest neighbors for any corner atom. Next is BCC structure. Its coordination number is 12. In this case, nearest neighbors of any corner atom are the face-centered atoms of the surrounding unit cells. Any corner atom has 4 such atoms in its own plane, 4 in a plane above it and 4 in a plane below it. So, in FCC structure, the coordination number is 12. The table indicates all above parameters for SC, BCC and FCC structures. So, the coordination number for SC is 6, for BCC is 8, for FCC it is 12. Atomic radius for SC is A by 2, for BCC it is root 3 A by 4 and for FCC it is root 2 into A by 4, or it is also equal to A by 2 root 2. Then atoms per unit cell in SC it is 1, in BCC it is 2 and in FCC it is 4. Then density of packing for SC structure is pi by 6, For BCC it is root 3 pi by 8. For FCC it is root 2 pi by 6. Next is packing fraction. Packing fraction is defined as the ratio of volume of atoms occupying the unit cell to the total volume of the unit cell relating to that structure. So, packing fraction, which is denoted by PF, is equal to number of atoms in unit cell into volume of each atom divided by volume of unit cell. The packing fraction gives us an idea about how closely atoms are packed together in a given crystal system. A low value of PF indicates loose packing of atoms and there is more unoccupied space. A higher value of PF indicates that the atoms are very closely packed in a unit cell. The packing fraction for some cubic systems can be obtained as below. First is simple cubic system. For simple cubic system, number of atoms per unit cell is 1. The radius of atom is r and a is the edge length of the cube. Volume of the unit cell is equal to a cube. If atomic radius r is equal to a by 2, then volume of one atom is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here r is equal to a by 2, therefore 4 by 3 pi in bracket a by 2 whole bracket cube. It is equal to 4 by 3 pi as it is. A by 2 bracket cube is a cube divided by 8. So here 4 2s are 8. Therefore we will get at numerator pi into a cube and at denominator 3 into 2 is 6. Therefore it is equal to pi a cube divided by 6. Therefore packing fraction is equal to number of atom in unit cell is 1 into volume of each atom is pi a cube divided by 6 and volume of unit cell is a cube. So it is 1 into pi a cube by 6 whole divided by a cube. So here a cube will get cancelled. So at numerator it is pi and at denominator it is 6. So it is equal to pi by 6, which is equal to 0.52 or 52%. Therefore, packing fraction for simple cubic system is 52%. Only one polonium at a certain temperature exhibits this structure. Simple cubic structure is loosely packed structure. Next is body-centered cubic, that is BCC. Elements like lithium, sodium, potassium, chromium exhibit this structure. For body-centered cubic system, the number of atom per unit cell is 2. Atomic radius for BCC is r is equal to root 3 by 4 into a. Therefore, volume of one atom is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here r is equal to root 3 by 4 into a. Therefore, 4 by 3 pi root 3 by 4 a whole bracket. So here 4 by 3 pi as it is. Root 3 cube means 3 root 3. A cube is a cube and 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. So what is remaining at numerator is 4 into a cube into 3 and at denominator it is 4 into 4 means 16. So it is equal to pi a cube into root 3 divided by 16. So packing fraction is equal to number of atom in BCC system is 2. Volume of one atom is 4a cube into root 3 divided by 16 and a cube is the volume of unit cell. So 2 into pi a cube root 3 divided by 16 into a cube. Here 2 8s are 16 and a cube get cancelled. Therefore At numerator root 3 pi and at denominator we will get 8. So root 3 pi divided by 8 is equal to 0.68 or 68%. Therefore, BCC structure is closely packed structure because the packing fraction for BCC is 68%. Third one is face-centered cubic. For this system, the number of atom per unit cell is 4. Atomic radius for FCC is R is equal to A divided by 2 root 2. Volume of one atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So it is 4 by 3 pi into A divided by 2 root 2 whole bracket cube. There are 4 atoms in one FCC unit cell. Therefore, volume of 4 atoms is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi into A divided by 2 root 2 whole bracket cube. So 4 into 4 by 3 pi as it is. A cube is A cube. 2 cube means 8 and root 2 cube means 2 root 2. So here 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and this 2 and this 2 is cancelled. Therefore, at numerator it is equal to pi a cube and at denominator it is 3 into root 2. So, it is equal to pi a cube divided by 3 root 2. So, packing fraction is equal to pi a cube divided by 3 root 2 divided by volume of unit cell is a cube. Here, a cube get cancelled. So, what is remaining? Pi divided by 3 root 2. It is equal to 0.74 or 74%. Therefore, packing fraction for FCC is 0.74 or 74%. Copper, aluminum, lead and silver have this structure. Next is density of crystal material. It is the ratio of mass of unit cell to the volume of unit cell. Therefore, I is equal to mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. Let capital A be the atomic weight of the element and N0 be Avogadro's number. Then mass of one atom is equal to A by N0. If there are n number of atoms in unit cell, then mass of unit cell is equal to n into A divided by N0 and volume of single cubic cell is A cube. Then density I is equal to n into A divided by N naught into A cube. This is the density of crystal material. So this is the last topic in this chapter. In next lecture we will see the problems based on the same chapter. Thank you so much.